Before buying camping gear, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. Many products look great online, but real users often complain about functionality and durability. Today, we're diving into 5 camping gadgets that actually deliver on quality and ease. Product number 1, Mallow Me S'mores Sticks. The Mallow Me S'mores Sticks immediately caught my eye because they promise a fun camping experience without the hassle. Priced at just $9.99, these roasting sticks are a bestseller with over 20,400 reviews and a 4.6-star rating. If you want a stress-free way to roast marshmallows safely, this is worth a serious look. The 32-inch length keeps your kids a safe distance from the fire, which is a huge plus for family camping trips. Plus, the multicolored handles help avoid any fighting over who gets what stick. Here's why this matters for you specifically. You want to enjoy your campfire experience without the stress of worrying about safety or cleanliness. Now, some people complained about the wooden handles not being dishwasher safe, which can be a hassle. Here's the thing though, if you're serious about making s'mores, a little hand washing is a small price to pay for quality roasting sticks. This is perfect for you if you love making s'mores with family and friends on your camping trips. Skip this if you're looking for something more versatile for other cooking needs. At this price point, you're getting great value for hours of fun. Now, if the dishwashing issue bothered you, this next product takes a completely different approach to convenience. Product number 2, ETNWOLF Air 3 Air Pump. Next up is the ETNWOLF Air 3 Air Pump, which really impressed me with its compact design and functionality. Priced at $25.99, this air pump is another bestseller, boasting a 4.5-star rating from 4,500 reviews. If you want to inflate items quickly and efficiently, this is worth a serious look. That's a huge time saver when you're setting up camp, allowing you to focus on relaxing instead of wrestling with inflatables. It also has a built-in 600-lumen camping light that's bright enough for late-night tasks. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The dual functionality means you can inflate your gear and light up your campsite with one device. Now, some users mention that the pump won't work while charging, which can be a little inconvenient. But honestly, if you're camping, you probably have a full charge before you head out, so it's manageable. This is perfect for you if you frequently camp with inflatable items like air mattresses or pool floats. Skip this if you only camp occasionally and don't want the extra bulk in your gear. For the price, it's a solid investment in comfort. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for outdoor hygiene. Product number 3, Hongyi Time Soap Sheets. The Hongyi Time hand washing soap sheets are a clever little find at just $6.59. Rated 4.6 stars from 2,700 reviews, they're a must-have for outdoor activities. If you want a convenient way to stay clean while camping, this is worth a serious look. Just dissolve a sheet in water, rub your hands, and rinse. It's simple. Here's why this matters for you specifically. You can wash your hands without needing to carry bulky soap bottles or worry about spills. However, some users said the sheets can be a bit flimsy and tear easily. Here's the thing though, a little care while using them can prevent this, and it's a small trade-off for the convenience they offer. This is perfect for you if you're hiking or camping in areas without easy access to cleaning supplies. Skip this if you prefer traditional soap and don't mind carrying it. At this price, they're an excellent addition to your camping kit. Now, if you're looking for a practical solution for drying your clothes while camping, the next product is just what you need. Product number 4, HONGYUTAI Portable Clothesline. Next up is the HONGYUTAI Portable Clothesline, a handy tool for any camper at just $8.99. With a 4.6-star rating from over 10,100 reviews, this product has proven its worth. If you want an easy way to dry clothes or towels while camping, this is definitely worth a serious look. The anti-slip design ensures your clothes won't blow away, which is crucial when you're outdoors. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Having dry clothes can make your camping experience much more comfortable, especially if the weather turns wet. However, some users mention that it can be tricky to set up in high winds. Honestly, if you're camping in windy conditions, it might take a little extra care, but it's worth it for the convenience. This is perfect for you if you often find yourself needing to dry clothes while camping. Skip this if you're not planning on doing laundry outdoors. For the low price, it's a great addition to any camping gear list. Now, if you're looking to cook up some great meals outdoors, the last product might be exactly what you need. Product number 5, THTYBROS Camping Cookware Kit. Finally, we have the THTYBROS Camping Cookware Kit, a complete cooking solution for just $33.99. With a 4.6-star rating from 899 reviewers, it's a great value for serious campers. If you want a reliable cookware set for your outdoor meals, this is worth a serious look. The high-quality anodized aluminum heats quickly and evenly, which means less time cooking and more time enjoying your meal. Here's why this matters for you specifically. You can prepare delicious meals without the hassle of heavy equipment. Now, some folks pointed out that the kit is a bit heavier than alternative options. But I'll be real with you, the quality and functionality you get here more than make up for that extra weight. This is perfect for you if you enjoy cooking while camping and want to have everything organized in one package. Skip this if you're looking for ultra-lightweight gear for backpacking. Considering the quality, this set offers fantastic value for money. So there you have it. The Malo-Me S'more Sticks are perfect for family fun. The ETNWLF Air 3 air pump makes inflating a breeze. The Hongyi Time soap sheets keep you clean on the go. The HONGYUTAI portable clothes line is a practical solution for drying clothes. And the THTYBROS Camping Cookware Kit ensures you can whip up meals with ease. Each has its strengths, so consider what fits best with your camping style.